All right, I just wanted to do a quick video on some of the waiters, well, just actually two waiters in particular that are not as obvious when we see them. All right, some are jump right out at you, right? CX packet is pretty easy to decipher. Write log, we're waiting somewhere for the log flushes to occur. Pretty straightforward. However, some aren't. So let's clear our wait stats here. Make sure they're clear. Let's do a select from the sales DB, or from the sales table, sorry, in the sales DB. Give it some time to build up some waiters based on this query. Yeah, that's probably enough. Let's kill that. And let's look at our aggregated wait stats on a percentage basis. And we should see two. And here we go. So we have ASYNC Network IO and we have preemptive OS wait for a single object. So this is kind of weird because I'm on a laptop, I'm not on a network, and it's right here. It's local, right? It's obvious that I'm not waiting on anything from the network perspective. And this is often the result of poor coding and often little to do with the network. So what this is, it's waiting for a SQL Server to process data somewhere in the network. It's calling out to a client and doing a row by row, called a rebar, row by agonizing row, call, waiting for the data to come back. So instead of caching it, it's processing row by row. And as it processes row by row, it spins up these ASYNC Network IO waits. So if we move down to our preemptive OS waiting for a single object, this is SQL calling to the OS, right? The preemption, going to the operating system and saying, I need some more data to be processed. All right, give me some more data. Why are we waiting? And we're waiting because SQL Server Management Studio, which I'm in, uses row by row processing. So it's an easy example to see. So when we see ASYNC Network IO, don't automatically assume that it's a network because it's got the network in it. All right, so this is just one of those that's a little more involves a little more knowledge about wait stats in order to decipher. Still, we know what to look for if we see this now. All right, well, thank you for watching.